Snow White sits, dear?
Very.
How sits Snow
Very
White?
low.
Yeah.
So David, don't feel this.
Well, I've brought it on.
Now, Snow White, hasn't this got you into character? Now you've got a real live squirrel. That makes
It looks like a squirrel. Oh, what?
Well, come on then.
She's got rabies.
Like the Grinch.
Oh yeah. What are you? Come on then.
You're not little, are you? No.
Come on then, Snow White. Come on, Snow White. Oh.
Oh, it's mine.
Come on, would you mind? Oh yeah,
It's probably be mine.
Oh.
Maybe, it might be.
Anyway, come on, Snowy.
You're going to sit there all the time.
I love spending time with all my lovely animal friends.
Feet together. Feet together. That's it.
Now that Father's about to marry his new bride, he doesn't seem to have much time for me anymore. Surely he has a little while ago.
Carry on.
I haven't actually met her yet. I wonder what she's like.
I just talked to the squirrel. I'm insane as well.
Oh, no.
It's the man from Iceland to make the squirrel Vegas. Sorry.
That's right. Carry on. Carry on, Snowy. Legs.
Stop being such a wee tart. Sloppy. Come on. I've been playing Shrek all day, about to sit like Shrek. It's going nice. I'm getting the muddled up there.
Carry on, dear.
I suppose she's kind and caring and very beautiful. Although, it doesn't matter what she looks like really, as long as she makes Father happy. That's the important thing. Anyway, I suppose I'd better be getting along. The wedding will start shortly, and I don't want to be late. See you later!